Standard Cajun Fry Swamp Tours only guarantees a 98% return rate. Hey, 98% is good, you gotta admit that. I'd like to take the opportunity to welcome you all to Cajun Fry Swamp Tours. I'm glad you're able to join us today. We're gonna have a great old time to go through the tour. We're gonna see some alligators and different wildlife. We're gonna have a wonderful time. I'll be talking most of the way through the tour. Now we'll talk all about the history of this area, the people, animals, the wildlife, and everything else we'll see out here. Anything else I can think of. I'll try to keep my personal life out of there, but we'll just have to see how it goes. Get into the tour, the first 10, maybe 15 minutes. Most of the alligators and the turtles and stuff we're going to see are going to be in the left over here. That's because it's the sunny side. The right is the shady side. All these creatures are reptiles, so they want to be in the sun. That's for the excitement of the tour, right?
There it is.
As long as there's no snakes or bees in those trees, it'll all be alright. But I mean, on the other hand, this is a swamp tour, right? So if I do run in the bushes and trees, the big snake does fall into it. We got the greater egret, beautiful, majestic bird.
It's at the bottom, under this wall.
Now this is a fairly young bird. We're only up there 3 foot tall with a 6 foot weight. Dive down, it's like you never see him again. All right, everybody relax, relax. I'm gonna come up here. Cute squirrel just ran off. All right, my friend over here on the left-hand side of the boat, all the way in the front with the cute alligator hat on. Yeah, you just got volunteered. Over there. Oh, the alligator stuck up on the other side of the boat. Oh, another raccoon on the other side? Yeah. We'll come back this way in a little while. Maybe we'll get to see the raccoons on the other side.
Oh, there's a gator right there. Right next
yeah, but the same one we saw a minute ago. He's still chasing us around big. Right over here. It's a bit bigger than the ones we've seen so far. Everything out here. When I say we name everything, we name everything. Everything has a name. The waterways we're traveling in are called stand up, okay? Now, the whole area we're traveling in today is part of a very large swamp system. All of southern Louisiana is made of swamp systems and marshlands. Now the swamp we're traveling in today happens to be one of the biggest swamps in all of southern Louisiana. It covers over 5 documentaries and all of those stories in a horn. The name of that documentary is The Most Haunted, Abandoned, and Creepiest Place in America. They tell us we're number 2 on that list. Tie together in a raft and float them out to the river. It was very low and very effective. Now I'm going to pick that up back up here in a minute because we've got a treat coming up for you. If you look to the right-hand side of the boat coming up on the bank, all the way out to the front, you're going to be all these waterways we're traveling, like I said, are called bayous. The bayous we're traveling in, they are famous for being very shallow, narrow bodies of water. In the middle of the deepest, maybe 3 feet. Don't feed the people now. If you haven't met a man, you will never leave If you live here long enough, you might always have not the mosquito. Louisiana, another state bird, he's in the heron family. Louisiana state heron would be the bird. She would take the entire town of Virginia with her. And that made people refer to the word, they didn't like that at all. Now lo and behold, though, September the 28th in 1915, Julia Brown died. Unfortunate as it was, at an estimated 700 person population, out of 700 people.
What's this?
They take over there.
Cemetery?
Alright, if you look to the left over here, this will be our first attraction of the tour. Now if you're on the right, you want to stand up, feel free, but I will turn the boat all the way around here for everybody. We'll go around the circle, everybody get a chance to see on both sides. The next thing is I'm going to put his little muzzle on him so he can't bite anybody. Not that he would, but he does have a mouthful of 72 very sharp teeth. If you were to bite somebody here today, it would not be pretty. Okay, so now I got his little muzzle on him. At this point, on the side, if you look at it, it looks just like a flower, it looks just like a daisy. And so he named it Miss Daisy. The day he escaped from a hurricane.
Get off. Giant can trap.
Not long. They grow about 40 years, so next year he'll be 2 feet long. The year after that, he'll be a handful.